Hi everyone, so come take a little drive with me today. It's my off day. I have a lot of errands to do. I'm going to Bunnings. I'm going to get a piece of carpet for the saloon floor. That helps make it so much easier to clean the floor. After that, I went to the plaza and look at this store in the plaza. Everything is $1. There was so much people. People was going crazy in that store. I was like, wow, the economy is so hard. So people are looking for alternative. I'm walking past the food court, I checking out some people, buying food. Everybody's looking for something to eat. They're hungry. But I'm on my way to Kmart. My son wants a rice cooker. It's gonna make it easy for him to do his food prep. So I'm getting him a rice cooker. Yeah, I know. So I went to the self checkout counter. I pay for my rice cooker, and then I am doing a different food prep today. So I'm on my way to Kohl's. Oh, I'm passing the flowers and I'm going, oh my God, I love these flowers. So I'm about to get myself a cart. And in Kohl's, I'm going through the veggies and I'm like, oh, yes, I gonna get some celery because this week I'm gonna do some juicing. I haven't had this kind of vegetable for so long. So I'm gonna do some juicing. I haven't done juicing for a while and just cleanse my gut a little bit this week. So I'm home now cleaning all my veggies and my fruits. Yes. I'm washing a lot because of pesticides. I need every bit of the pesticides out of those grapes. So I'm using this liquid and then I'm putting it to soak in some vinegar. Usually I would use baking powder, but I was like, wait a minute, where's the baking powder? There's no baking powder. So I'm just like, yes, let's use vinegar. I'm cleaning every bit of these veggies. I have lemons, lettuce, carrots, Granny Smith apple, cucumbers. I'm just like every pesticide. I'm just using that whole bottle of vinegar. I'm washing everything out. Everything have to be so clean for me. And after finishing cleaning my veggies, also I have to grate all these carrots because I'm going to have carrot salad. I'm gonna do jars. I'm gonna put all my salad in a jar. I'm putting all my fruits in a jar because when I'm working, it's so easy for me to just grab something. So this is my husband meal prep. He's gonna be eating all these veggies and this lovely meat this week, and I will be eating veggies and fruits. And I decided to do some juicing. So by the time I got home, it was after 12, and my husband is already home. He had something to eat, and now I am juicing. So I did some celery and cucumber for myself. And what else did I put in my, yes, celery and cucumber. Now I put some beets and I pour it in a wine glass and I brought it to him. And he was like, oh, what's that? Is that a cocktail? I was like, cocktail? No cocktail for you, babes. What cocktail are you talking about? Drink your juice. But it was sweet. It was tasty. I like it. So after grating all these carrots and cutting all these cucumbers and these veggies, I made my jars, put them in the fridge, and now I'm gonna do the fruits, and it's all done. Oh, that was a long day. Then I hung my map.